That bastard weed has reached epidemic proportions in here now. I've had to put my jacket back on because I'm getting stung to death. And that big ass tree has conveniently blocked the old trail off. Although I did make a go around in here once. Oh yeah, it's still here. Whoa! And that tray is still making a god awful rattling noise. We're at the mercy of the buffalo now to cut these tree down blockages. Whoa! Oh shit! There's a sea of them. No, that's no good. I don't want to up my chuff. What's that stuck on? They're just there. Let me get that out. And one. Quick swipe to the nads there. I remember when you used to put playing cards in your spokes when you were a kid. That was in the front disc. It is not nice having to do this with a jacket on. I cut out. I've come here a year ago now. I'll tell you how cold it is too. My nose is running and my nose only runs below 10 degrees C. And that's how cold it is. Right hand trail there. Oh, it's more sketchy. Eye poker outer. Oh, get me out of this bastard elephant cry so I can get my jacket back off. Please. You shouldn't even. Oh, I don't want to hit that rock. You shouldn't even grow this far out. More trees. Where are we at now? If you watch that in slow-mo, you'll see a load of snot flying out my nose then. I'm going over the front of the bike. Lovely. Yeah, that's a pain in the ass. Never used to be. I'm getting old. Cut this. I cut all that out my hand. I camped up here for 3 nights in one of the best fog storms I've ever seen in my life. So this means the Mofo Hill is dead ahead. Let me get off of this one. I know I can get my jacket off before I go up that. I was going to say there shouldn't be any more elephant cry out. I thought that was some then? No. Whoa. God. Here we are then. Repair line south. That bastard stuff is in here. It's absolutely everywhere. Die. Right. Off with the flasher, Mac. I don't want to boil to death going up here. And there could be intensive gnashing of teeth. Now you only get one hit of this, and you can't see which line to take until you're right into it, and you need momentum, so you can't stop and have a look. So let's just see what happens. Even getting on it is a bit of a mission. I can see something new on the left side there. I know straight through is poo. Left side it is. No, it's not. Oh, traction. It's not forthcoming. Yeah, kind of. I went around the left there. Because I broke traction. Someone's got my boot. Oh, I got a creeper around my fucking leg. Would you believe? Well, I couldn't have got anywhere there. Anyway. That's about the only time you'll ever see a CRF do a jump turn when you're almost vertical on a mountain. Whew. Well, let's start with that bad boy. Have a lovely look at the view. There it is. I'm going up there. Whew. There's a reason I call myself the Trail King. Look what I get to see. I see a lot more when I get up there, but I just thought I'd stop here and just let you have a look at this bit. Oh, it's so beautiful. Last little push to the top. Lumpy, bumpy. Quite right here, right where I am right there. That's where I camped a couple of years back. Actually, I think it's 3 years, nearly 4 now. Unbelievable. I camped up there on a day like this. Beautiful view. I watched the sunset over there. I was hoping to see the sunrise over there. Then in the middle of the night, I was woke up by the tent being battered.